Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TradingView on Binance on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to access to the trading tool available on your Binance app but you are not being able to do so, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you're connected, make sure that your operating system is updated. Simply go and tap Open Settings, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Tap on Software Update and check if there is any updates available. If there is, tap on the Install Now button in order to update to the latest version of your operating system. Once you update your operating system, the next thing to do is to open up your Binance app, log into your account, and go and tap on the trade option at the bottom of the screen. Now check if your trading view is available on Binance app. If it's still not available, then clear out your cache data from your Binance application. Go back to Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps that has been installed on your mobile device, select Binance and give it a tap. Now, tap on Offload App option, since this will free up some storage used by the app. Also, it will clear out the cache data from your iPhone. Once you tap on Offload App, confirm your selection by tapping on Offload App one more time in the pop-up. And now, it'll show you Reinstall App option. Tap on Reinstall App and get back the application on your mobile device. Doing this will clear out your cache data from your Binance app. Once you are done reinstalling the application, launch Open Binance app and see if that fixes the issue. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to check for available updates for your Binance app from the App Store. Open up App Store from your app drawer and in the search box, search for Binance. If you see an update button right next to Binance app, tap on the button in order to download the latest version of Binance application. Once you have the latest version, you might be able to solve your TradingView issue on Binance. If nothing else works out, simply delete Binance application by locating Binance app from the app drawer and press hold the app. Tap on Remove App and tap on Delete App from the pop-up. Once you delete the application, reinstall it by going to App Store again, and that might help you solve your problem. Those are some of the fixes you could try whenever your TradingView is not available on Binance. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.